Guys, so today is part 4 of the advent calendar, and since I'm doing a video on this, I won't be doing the Star Stable update today, but I can tell you what it is. So it is the Winter Village came back, so you can go and revisit there and maybe buy the new ice horse too. And here's what we have already for the advent calendar, so let's open up the box for day 4. Okay, so here's 4. It's not very big, but I'm wondering if we'll have maybe Tack in there. Maybe those little kittens, because those are really cute. I don't think a full could fit in there. Actually, this is the same size as this one, and we got a full in this one, so maybe. Let's just try and see. It is small. What is that? It's like a bucket of apples or something. This is so weird. So it's like this little mole. I don't know if you can see the lighting's kind of bad, but it's like this little mole in this little hole. It's really weird, but and then it just fits in there, and then it comes with 2 apples to feed to the foal. So it's supposed to be that on the box. It's kind of hard to see right now, but that's what it's supposed to be. So this guy can go right over here. Man, I really wanted to get that other horse that I've been wanting. So now we also have some 2 apples here. They're the same one. So if we unlock the gate over here, we got from last time. And now we can open this up. I know this is very strange, but Foal can come out and can eat the apples. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed part 4. Tomorrow is going to be day 5, and this one is what it is. And it's actually pretty, like, it's not that small, it's actually pretty large. So I wonder if we'll have a full in there. Hopefully we'll get that full. Oops, but we already opened this one up, so that's fine. But hopefully we get that full. Or maybe even these kittens. I don't think this horse could fit in there though, but we'll see. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in part 5 tomorrow. Bye.